Hey, Amy from the blog blossoming.life.com, and today I want to show you how to make really ridiculously easy and effective homemade dish soap. You only need a few ingredients to whip it up, so let's do that. So in my measuring cup here, I have 3/4 cup of distilled water. You can use distilled water or water that has been boiled and cooled, and that is just to help prevent bacteria growth because it is a water product. Then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of salicyds. This is a biodegradable cleaner. It's kind of like the ultra concentrated uncle of Castile soap, but you cannot use Castile soap in this recipe interchangeably. But you can find salicyds pretty much wherever you would find regular Castile soap, especially like more natural grocery stores. And this has an A rating and the EWG website. So I'm about to add a 1/2 cup of that. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And this is the reason why you can't just use Castile soap, is the salicyds is much more powerful than Castile soap, and you can use vinegar with it. If you were to mix regular vinegar with regular Castile soap, it would get chunky and nasty. And so, but with the salicyds, you can't. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to help cleaning power, and then about a 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. This helps protect your hands, but also it is great for helping boost the sudsing power, and that's why I like to use it in recipes like this. You can also see my homemade bubble bath. We'll also have it in there because it really helps make those bubbles. Right, I'm gonna mix that together. You'll notice this has a very thin consistency, and it's totally normal. All right, then I'm gonna add about 20 drops of lemon essential oils. Lemon is really great for degreasing things and getting gunk off. Now, another optional essential oil you could use is one that's more antibacterial, has antibacterial properties, so this would be like the Thieves, On Guard, any of those types of essential oils could also help clean your dishes a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this up, and it's all done. Was that not so easy? So then you're just gonna put it in a soap dish, and there's actually 3 ways you can do this. You could put it in a foaming hand soap container and use that. You can put it in an old dishwasher soap container. That's usually what I do. Or you could even use like one of those olive oil, I don't know what you'd call them, like salad dressing containers. You could use that too. So I'm just gonna pour this in here. And you just need a little bit and it goes a long way. So like it takes a little bit getting used to because it is so thin, but it works so well and it suds so well. So normally I would not use this as like regular hand soap. I actually have a tutorial on how to make your own hand soap. I would not use it for that just because it is supposed to be more for dishes, more tough on grease. All right, so let's look how nice and foamy it is. All right, and it cleans your dishes so well. I was thoroughly impressed with this recipe. And it doesn't leave any residue or anything on it. It just leaves it nice and clean. All right, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today on this super simple homemade dish soap. That took me 3 seconds to whip up. It's natural, it's effective, and it actually will help you save a little bit of money. I know for me when I was transitioning to more natural cleaning products, a lot of times the natural cleaning products are kind of greenwashed. They say that they're natural and clean, but they're really not. And so with dish soap, it can be especially hard because the ones that I would find that had a really good rating, they didn't always work very well, and it seemed like you needed to use an absolute ton in order to clean your dishes. And so making my own has been a really effective way to clean my dishes naturally, and also it's a little bit more cost effective than say some of those natural brands. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. I share at least 1 new video every single week on simple recipes, DIY projects, and natural living products. In the description box below, I will share with you where to get all these ingredients. You'll also find the blog post that has a step-by-step way on how to make this. Thanks for stopping by.